Hey everyone, this is Bob with Bob CNC and welcome to our troubleshooting series. Today we're going to be looking at the revolution and what happens when the home switches don't seem to be working. So I'm going to go ahead and home the machine and you'll see that the X will just continue to drive through. So Z home fine, still trying to keep moving, sounds awful. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the power and just back it off a little bit. What's going on here? Could be several things. First of all, the firmware may need to be reset, especially if you were in the setup wizard or just maybe something changed. You can do that by typing in the $sign RST equals $sign and pressing enter. That will reset your firmware. The other thing that it could be is the home switch wires are actually not connected to the Z minus, and so it does not know that it's supposed to stop there. We have a video on diagnosing home switches. Definitely check that out. One last thing it could be is that you're actually hitting the hard stop before you get to the switch. So you can loosen the mounting screws on the switch and try to bring that switch over this way forward so that it actually hits sooner, so that it will hit the home switch actually before it hits the hard stop, and then it will home correctly. So this one actually is connected to the wrong pin, so I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the right pin so that you can see that it will home. We'll see what that looks like. I believe I got that connected to the right pin. So I'll go ahead and click the home button. See the Z is still working. And now if I connected it correctly, it looks like I did. It's going to go ahead and back off. So again, if your switch is not activating, you'll need to diagnose those switches. You may need to move the switch. Definitely want to make sure it's connected as per the instructions. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.